Boomplay with Ito gave me this wallet. Thank you everybody. This is actually 360 again, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with an exclusive talk. I need to show you guys something very nice. And please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well by subscribing, please, and share my videos. Thank you very much. Amazing. Where people, all of us, yes, we can't stop playing music. We all play music, and they are taking our data every day to play music. This data they're taking, they're making money from it, or these music that they upload, they actually make good money from it. And I'm here to tell you how you can also benefit from the music too. Using Boomplay to play my songs, and these days I've been getting paid from Boomplay. I'm gonna show you that. Stick around. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and let's get doing this. Boomplay is one of the most used music player in Africa with over 1 billion users. Boomplay is not just a music player, but it has other abilities, just like watching videos, making friends online, reading balls, and also you can make money from it, especially the music artists. Yes, you can make money actually from Boomplay, and also as a user you make gifts there. What is good about Boomplay? That's good to see. It has top quality content, yes, and I mean it. You can stream and download your favorite African and international songs on Boomplay from anywhere. It has songs from J. Cole, from other artists that you may not have thought of getting their songs. You're also allowed to create playlists to help you arrange your songs, just like you create playlists for gospel, you create playlists for party jams. Music videos are also available on the app for online stream and downloads. Very cool. Any music video you want, you can get it there. The music community is also very cool. When we take a look at the number of music lovers that are on Boomplay, users can follow themselves to interact and see each other's activities. Yes, just like actually plays this. So let me see what is actually playing. The buzz area helps with news feed, updates from Boomplay, notifications on new songs and playlists or album. The buzz is just so cool where it updates you many things that is going on in the community there. Personally, I've been using Boomplay for more than 4 years now, and lots of the features have made me stay loyally with them for years. No big business, you should know that. And from the fact that you choose everything, you have choices, yes, of everything you want to do. Like you want to download, for example, when you want to download a content, they will ask you if you want it downloaded for offline play, or you want to buy the content for as low as 20 coins, which is equal to 20 naira, something like that. So cheap. Does not take much of your data, and also you choose the quality to download. Yes, like you choose whether you want the top quality, you want standard, or you want low quality. Boomplay's playlist and charts are updated daily to bring you the latest gist around. Yours, for example, they have playlists like the hottest jams. They update it every day. Amazingly, the songs also have their lyrics on Boomplay with a crossfader feature. That is, especially the Android users, it has a crossfader feature that gives you the best experience of playing music. Music don't have to stop, just keep playing till you're fed up. Boomplay is just too amazing for my words to qualify. Most importantly, Boomplay is always having a way, one way or the other, to make their users happy, especially from the Friday gifts that they give to us. I'm a beneficiary too. I get money from it. I do get airtime every Friday, and other prizes are given to lucky winners. And most especially, I'm lucky to have gotten ITEL wallet and a micro SD card. Yes, on Fridays. I do get airtime too, and I'm sure you would like to know how. To enjoy a piece of this amazing music player, you are required to be a registered user with Boomplay, Boom ID. You need some amount of points to redeem gifts every Friday, and these points are made from your activities on the app on a daily basis. And when you sign in every day, you have 15 points, and it happens once in a day. When you stream a song, you have 5 points. You can have it up to 10 times. You read a buzz, you have 5 points too, and it's 5 times daily. When you add a track to your favorite, you have 5 points. To add a playlist to favorite once a day is 10 points. And follow a user or artist, just like you follow Chule 369, you have 10 points once a day too. When you share a track or boss article to Facebook or Twitter, you get 10 points once a day too. When you create a playlist, you have 30 points. This is just so amazing, right? Like 30 points. When you purchase a monthly subscription, you have 150 points. Exactly where I get more points from. I do subscribe every month to get these points. You stream a video too, you make 5 points and you can get up to 10 videos. Yes. All points made will be displayed on reward points menu. Don't forget to open to check every time. And if you want to know about the I am an artist on that page there, just subscribe, and my next video will show you more about this. Let's check something again. I started this year with 60,000 points, about 60,000 points, but after redeeming raise of goods, I'm currently having 27,784 points. This is where you also redeem your gifts at the reward points, and people from Port Harcourt, FCT, and Lagos get gifts more. If there is anything you want to know about that place, please use the comment box to send me a message, please. I'll be waiting. And each week have their own unique gifts and different from the previous weeks. You're expected to be there exactly at 10 a.m. too, so you don't miss your gift. Please, 10 a.m. is just the time. If you're not there, you are missing out. And another reason people miss their gifts is maybe they don't have the correct address on the app. And please, if you don't have it, I'm telling you, they'll scrap your order. To change your address or check if the address is correct, go to my orders from the reward points menu. You'll see it pointed, that place I point on there. Then points directly to the address management at the top of the page. You see it at the top there. It's going to. Yes, and then make sure your name, phone number, and address is well written with house numbers. Street name is very, very necessary with LGA, and state very, very, very necessary. Once you don't have all these things, man, your order will just be cancelled. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe, share, and like this video, please.
Come, I never finish. Once you they pay me, be say, why you go watch my video? You know go tell me whether which I do good or you know good. Give me comments now, make I know whether to continue or make I stop. Give me comments, and you know one thing, another thing I like again now, the like button and subscribe button. The higher the subscription, the higher the rate of other, the higher the chances of other people seeing my videos. So subscribe so that people just like will be seeing this good news every day. Thank you.